Picture this. You're in Brazil visiting some friends and they surprise you with a gift. A pair of the famous Havaianas. You try them on and one of your friends asks you,
Serviu?
Wait, served? Is your friend talking about food? No. In today's lesson, we'll explore the many uses of servir, a versatile verb in Brazilian Portuguese. By the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly when and how to use it like a Brazilian. Olá pessoal! Before we look at how to use servir and at some real-life examples, let's check how servir is conjugated, especially since it has a slightly irregular form in the present tense, first person singular, and in the imperative mood. Check it out. In the present tense, we should say eu sirvo, repeat. Você, ele, ela serve. Nós servimos. Vocês, eles, elas servem. So notice the first person singular is slightly irregular. Eu sirvo. Now, in the imperative mood, sirva, sirvamos, sirvam. Again, sirva, sirvamos, sirvam. All right. Now that you know how to conjugate its irregular forms, let's see how to use it. Servir. Servir means to serve food or drinks. This is the most obvious meaning of servir and probably the first one that comes to mind. Let's see a few examples. Let's suppose you are at a hotel and you want to know about breakfast time, So you may ask, excuse me, what time do you serve breakfast? Com licença, a que horas vocês servem o café da manhã? Repeat. Com licença, a que horas vocês servem o café da manhã?
O café da manhã é servido entre as 7 e as 10 horas.
Breakfast is served between 7 and 10 a.m. O café da manhã é servido entre as 7 e as 10 horas. O café da manhã é servido entre as 7 e as 10 horas. Servir is also used to say that an amount of food is enough for somebody. For example, that omelette serves 3 people. Aquele omelete serve 3 pessoas. Aquele omelete serve 3 pessoas. At a restaurant, someone's place, it's also common to hear
Vocês estão servidos? Vocês estão servidas?
meaning, are you all set? Yeah? Are you ready for more? Vocês estão servidos? Vocês estão servidas? Then you may answer, estou servido if you are a man. Estou servida if you are a woman. Servir can also mean something is useful or appropriate, especially when options are limited. When something is just enough or makes do. For example, that knife is not suitable for cutting bread. No. Aquela faca não serve para cortar pão. Aquela faca não serve para cortar pão. Não. She wants to eat her omelette, but there are no clean forks left. She could use a spoon, couldn't she? Uma colher serve como garfo. Uma colher serve como garfo. By the way, If you want to learn other kitchen-related words, you'll find below the link to a great lesson on it. Watch it. Let's move on now to a very common use of servir in social contexts like family meals or buffets. Servir-se with a reflexive pronoun. Servir-se means to help oneself. Don't forget to say eu me sirvo, você se serve, ele, ela se serve, nós nos servimos, vocês, eles, elas se servem. Examples. She serves her kids first, then helps herself. Primeiro, ela serve seus filhos. Depois, ela se serve. Primeiro, ela serve seus filhos. Depois, ela se serve.
Eu já me sirvo sozinho.
Oh, the little boy is not that little anymore. Ele se serve sozinho. Ele se serve sozinho. Feel free to help yourself. Fique à vontade para se servir. Fique à vontade para se servir. Vontade. A word with interesting uses and meanings in Brazilian Portuguese. Below is the link to a great lesson on it. Fique à vontade para assistir. Sometimes we use servir to talk about purpose or function, to say that something is or isn't useful, is or isn't helpful. You know when you look at something and asks, what's that for? Para que aquilo serve? Para que aquilo serve? I think it's useless. Acho que não serve para nada. Acho que não serve para nada.
Bia, este remédio serve para dor de cabeça?
She wants to know if that medicine is good for headaches. Serve sim. Serve sim. Esse remédio serve para dor de cabeça. Esse remédio serve para dor de cabeça. And of course, a classic expression when we learn something the hard way, we can say, "Oh, that taught me a lesson." Isso me serviu de lição. Isso me serviu de lição. Now, going back to the Havaianas from the beginning, when your friend asked you, serviu, he was checking the size. Yes, he wanted to know if the pair of flip-flops had fit. Serviu. Serviu. You may answer it positively. Serviu. Serviu. It fit perfectly. Serviu direitinho. Serviu direitinho, huh? Oops, apparently someone needs new shorts. Os seus shorts não servem mais. Os seus shorts não servem mais. What color does he prefer? Que cor você prefere?
Qualquer cor serve.
Any color will do. Qualquer cor serve. Qualquer cor serve. Here, servir is all about fitting, being suitable, physically or metaphorically. You can use servir meaning that something or someone is suitable or not for a certain situation. For example, oh, that password doesn't work anymore. Essa senha não serve mais. Essa senha não serve mais. Another example. That solution works in many cases. Essa solução serve em muitos casos. Essa solução serve em muitos casos. Oh, he's suitable to work there. Ele serve para trabalhar lá. Ele serve para trabalhar lá. Another important use of servir is to say that someone works or performs duties for a person or an organization. For example, she served as an interpreter during the trip. Ela serviu de intérprete durante a viagem. Ela serviu de intérprete durante a viagem. He wants a job where he can serve the community. Ele quer um trabalho em que sirva a comunidade. Ele quer um trabalho em que sirva a comunidade. Oh, he served as a captain in the army. Ele serviu como capitão no exército. Ele serviu como capitão no exército. Finally, servir can describe the impact or consequences of something. For example, it seems that someone was late for the tour and got told off. The warning served as a lesson to others. A advertência serviu de alerta para os outros. A advertência serviu de alerta para os outros. But in fact, it backfired. It only made things worse. Serviu só para piorar as coisas. Serviu só para piorar as coisas. Have you ever been confused by the verb servir in Portuguese? Tell me in the comments if you have, and which examples surprised you the most in today's lesson, I missed some of your comments. By the way, here's a great lesson I suggest you watch about another verb that has some interesting uses in Brazilian Portuguese. Watch it and tell me later what you learned from it. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!